It's officially been 1 year since I presented unto you the ultimate guide on how you yourself could outpizza the Hut. A tutorial video that reigned supreme over any other tutorial video that had the audacity to appear in YouTube search results, one that gave How To Basic a run for his money. Since that video debuted, you've been asking for a sequel to it, and for the longest time I avoided making it like my father avoided being a parent. But that changes today, for I shall teach thee, my children, how to successfully outpizza the Hut once again. Sit back, relax, and let's begin. The first step to outpizza the Hut in 2021 is to secure some money. How much money do I need, derps? Well, according to Forbes, Pizza Hut is valued at roughly $8.5 billion as of January 23rd, 2017. Now for this tutorial, we're going to assume that you're starting up your own company to give Pizza Hut a run for its money, in which case you'll want around $12 billion. $3 million is going to go towards the initial startup expenses and licensing fees, and the rest of that money will be used to stick it to those apron-wearing, self-absorbed motherfuckers. Now obviously, you can work and jerk your way to the top like the average American citizen, but let's be honest, you're too good for that poor people shit. You don't have that kind of time on your hands. Your best bet at getting the money as soon as humanly possible is to go on a robbing spree. Now obviously a lot of you are gonna get your panties into twists and start freaking out, saying something along the lines of, "But derps, robbery's bad! Stealing is bad. You're promoting stealing to a bunch of random people on the internet. I'm gonna go to twitter.com and cancel you." Now look, I never said robbery was the only option. In fact, that's far from the truth. You can always sell some of your old stuff at a garage sale, or even sling some leg on the street corner like your mama did if you're feeling adventurous. Once you manage to get the money, it's time to move on to step 2, purchase your base of operations. Now for obvious reasons, you want to make sure that your headquarters is located somewhere safe and secure, because chances are within the first month of operating your business, one of your employees will have their own opinion on America's illegal immigration problem, and soon enough, you'll have an entire army of woke progressives at your front door after one of them somehow manages to track down your house address by reverse engineering the EXIF metadata that Snapchat failed to strip from the same employee's nudes he spent the last month and a half distributing to minors. Assuming you've got that out of the way, the third step is to advertise your new pizza chain. What? You thought that was over step 2? Are you fucking serious? Advertising for your business can be achieved in numerous different ways, from testing the waters with local posters all the way to paid intrusive ads on your favorite adult websites. The possibilities are endless. I should probably warn you really quickly though, YouTube may play your ad on some unsavory content on their website, which in turn may lead to some backlash, both against YouTube and yourself. I hate to admit this, but, I'm not properly equipped to handle that situation. That's on you. Step 4, steal the competition. Once you're finally equipped to outpizza the Hut, you're going to want to make sure that you absolutely dominate the competition. If you can't manage to get ahead of your competitors by even the smallest fraction of a loose pubic hair you found in a gas station bathroom on the side of the road in 1982, you might as well throw in the cum sock and give up. To quote myself from the video I made a year ago on the same topic, establishing and maintaining your testicular superiority is crucial to successfully pulling this entire thing off. You can't outpizza the Hut by letting them kick you in the urethra and on a regular basis, because that's just gonna hurt you in the end. There isn't really any special way you can steal the competition though, because your success in that field is based entirely on how well you executed the last few steps, as well as how well you manage from there on forward. This one is more of an observational task than anything else. The final step to outpizza the Hut is to watch the dough roll in. Now similarly to step 4, this is purely observational and doesn't really require you to do much of anything other than sit on your fat ass at your computer screen keeping tabs on your business analytics. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the updated 2021 guide on how to outpizza the Hut. If you happen to find this tutorial entertaining, informative, or even downright useful, be sure to absolutely raw dog that like button, because for every like this video gets, one lucky person will manage to outpizza the Hut somewhere in the world. Be sure to subscribe for more shitty content as well, and with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.